Hello everyone, we are Team 8. This video will demonstrate our team project, which is Copy 202 Sprint 2. There are totally three big parts in this video. First, I will show you our latest Cmpe board, which includes user stories. After that, each team member will discuss the design pattern that they have implemented in this project. Finally, we will show you our fantastic game demo. Let's start from Cmpe board. According to this project assignment, Cmpe board become our very useful and powerful tool that help team members to share, communicate, and trace the status of the project. At the first day of Sprint 2, team met and created the Cmpe board. Each team member was assigned tasks, and everyone promised keep the board updated with weekly meeting. Over time, many of us fall in love with Lurkit because it's so nice and easy to protect and enjoy. Here we can see all the task we have completed up to now. Let's zoom in user story. In this project, we have successfully delivered 10 user stories totally. That means each team member has implemented at least 2 stories. We can see the name displayed on the top right corner of each story. That is the first part. Let's move to the second part, where we will discuss design pattern by each team member.
Hello, my name is Wei Si. In Sprint 2, I'm responsible for creating a start menu so the users can select to start game, read help document, or quit game. To implement these functions, I used a state design pattern. I have an interface and a game state class which implement the interface and have 5 different states which corresponding to 5 different things in the game. The user menu, start menu, quit game, readme document, and the quit game confirmation. Here's the demo. If you want to read the help document, here you go. Back to the start menu. You want to quit game? Of course not. So let's go back to the start menu. If you click start game, then you are directed to this page to prompt you to input your information. Thank you.
During Sprint 2, I implement some basic functions such as playing background music and shooting from the player aircraft and sending a bomb to destroy all the enemies. When I implemented the sending bomb function, I found it's easy to use the observer pattern. As you can see, the player is the subject to send the notifications, and the enemies and some stones, they are observers. When they get the notification, they will be destroyed. Here is my code. You can see the player controller is inherited from the bomb subject. The bomb subject has observers list and attach function, detach, and notify functions. The destroy script is inherited from the bomb observer. In the observer function, there is the update function majorly for destroy the observers. Here is my observer pattern diagram. Okay, I will show you the function destroy all the enemies.
This is Inju from Team 8. In Sprint 2, I designed a player menu. In this menu, we could create and store players' information including the name and score. It will show the best player by search for the highest score and the player name we stored. I implemented this function with iterator pattern. And here we have a list of players. Iterator method is listed here. We can use this method to visit every player in the list. And in this class, we will create the iterator and also could add players in the list. The sorting algorithm is implemented in this controller class. The code is like this. Just using the iterator to comparing all the scores we stored with the highest score and get the best player. I'm always like this. If you click this button, it will show the best player. That's all.
In Sprint 2, I implement a factory pattern related to hazard generation. As you can see in our game, there are different kinds of hazards, the asteroid and enemy ship. Here's my pattern. There are four different kinds of hazards. They both share two functions in common: destroyed by contact and destroyed by bomb. The game manager can call a get method in the hazard factory to get a new shared hazard.
Hello everyone, this is Hongbo Tian from Team 8. I'm going to discuss the adapter pattern that I have implemented in this project. There is a very interesting story behind this implementation. Spaceship is a virtual player in this game. We implemented one spaceship ship named SpaceX as the player at the very beginning. Later on, we occasionally found another very nice component in the Unity marketplace that has been developed by other developers from the Unity community. All team members like this component so much that we decided to integrate it into our solution. During the integration, unfortunately, we found the interface of this component, spaceship, is incompatible to our implementation. After quick study, I found adapter pattern can fix this problem very well. Therefore, I implemented it, which is the adapter pattern, by which we can convert the interface of spaceship into our interface. So it works, that is. Thank you, every team member. So that is part 2. Next, let's move to the last part, which is the fantastic part. We will give you a game demo.
也不应该啊。对呀，为什么？报啊，对啊。
这不可以报吗？
这现在应该还在录吧？
对啊。
又不报了，这是为什么？
没事，已经有报的了就行。
就是尽量时间拖长一点是吧？好像藏在这个角角是不是就死不了了？我好像不是像在玩一样。 哦，好像是它跟这方向键好像混了，就是我按 A 的时候它会往右，摁 S 的时候它会往下，好像是跟 WASD 混了。我们先把这个我换。
Thank you for your time to watch our fantastic game demo. This page will show you the whole team member contribution on this project. So totally we have 5 team members in this project. So here we can see their contribution as well as the design pattern that they have implemented in this project. That is, thank you.